Got all the bags packed right here. Okay, so we got the letters. That's 15H. Damn, it's beautiful here. Headed to Brussels right now. That's the station we're headed to.
Yeah, welcome. Sit inside the coach. Yeah. Okay.
A lot of red colors. Open bar though, with coffee, but no alcohol. Thank you. Okay, we're heading to the next train. We have to be quick. The time in between the train to Brussels and Brussels to London is very small, so I will see you. Last time we were here, it was Christmas 2016, 17, New Year's. Just pulling into the Edition Hotel in London. We're in Soho. This is where we're gonna be staying for the next few days. Okay, this is pretty freaking cool. Oh my God, what the fuck? I am tripping out right now. This is insanely dang. Nice. Can we get more light? Whoa! Yes, sir. Apple Store, first stop. Why? Because my laptop charger has a wire that is literally hanging on a thread. And in order for me to edit videos for you guys, I need a laptop charger. So that's what we're doing right now. Well, apparently it's not too bad of a walk, but here's the map. Found the Apple Store.
How's your morning been?
Oh, it's been fantastic, man.
You travelling around London?
Yeah, I'm traveling. Just got here last night. It's one of the charms of London. Just out of the blue, you just see one of these amazing, awesome, iconic red telephone booths. I got the charger, everything I need from the Apple Store, and let's head on back to the hotel. Here we go. Good stuff. Fantastic. Brilliant. Amazing. Wow. Wow. And moment of truth. Ooh, baby! I am so happy right now. Oh, no, it's Maddie.
Food isn't?
No.
I thought the food was here.
It's not here yet. Hi, how are you? No, no worries. Of course.
Thank you
Wow.
so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Just put everything
like
on
right
top.
there would be perfect.
You can-
Thank you so much.
So this is English breakfast tea. I got the milk on this side. And
What's your name?
I'm Angelo.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Okay,
you.
cool.
In the hot box. I'll put on this very nice. Just got it.
We're lucking out right now.
In.
Breakfast and editing. We're in the hotel lobby. My brother, he thinks he can beat me in pool, but Cam just found another sneaker shop. Okay, there's a whale here in the sky. Try a pair of Levi's on. What's your name?
Reynard.
Reynard?
Yeah.
He just sold me this awesome jacket. If you happen to be in London, come to the Napa Jewelry Store on what street? Carnaby Street. Check it out. My dad loves Asian food, so
Yes, I do. I will comment for this one.
we found it. Dim sum. We're gonna try to go see the Potter play, but we don't know if we're gonna be able to get tickets because it's obviously incredibly hard to go to that show.
And sometimes I go, sometimes it's
Look at that thing. Are you kidding me? We're about to go down to the gym. I'm with my brother right now. Gonna do a quick workout, maybe like 45 minutes. So it's Christmas right now, so obviously no one's gonna be working out, but we got the whole place to ourselves. So can't complain about that. I think we're gonna have a nice leg day today, so also looking forward to that. My brother's gonna be guiding me through the routine because he's the fitness expert in the family, so. All right, so we just ran a few miles on the treadmill, then we're gonna do some pull-ups, get our upper body going, and then we're gonna do some more workouts after that. All right, guys, to finish up the workout, we got Barbell 24 grams vanilla flavor. This shit's tasty as hell. Shout out to Barbell. Borough of Chelsea. If you can't tell by the fancy cars and the nice restaurants and apartments that we're passing by, this is quite the area in the city. Constantly trying to shoot B-roll, and I always lose track of the fam. Wow, I love this Mercedes. 300 SL, yep. That's what I thought. That's my dream car, one of my dream cars. So when you think of London from like a storybook, looks straight out of like Mary Poppins or some shit. I guarantee you these types of places are just like, you know, heritage, so kind of like in the family, passed down over time, over the years, because these, I mean, this real estate's probably priceless. Just classic London.
Thinking I'm hungry.
Look at this fish right here, just hanging there. No, not fresh. Made it to Burroughs Market. Look at this view. Just got the Shoreditch. We're about to have some lunch. Ristorante Gloria. I am so stuffed, and that pizza was fire. I don't know if it beats Frank Pepe's pizza from New Haven, Connecticut, but damn, that was so good. Favorite thing about this jacket, huge pocket, feel like a kangaroo. So Shoreditch is kind of like Brooklyn and New York in the sense that it's really creative, it's really artistic. 90s bag. It's the butter one, right? The butter easy. So this place right here, Box Park, is just one strip of all these equally proportioned box shops. Hold laundry. Peach cappuccino colored puff jacket. It's nice. The Secret Santa shop. Absence of color. Only the blind. This looks like a cool shop. Let's check it out. Snog frozen yogurt. Huh. This is trippy. It comes out of this box, and you order on this thing? Let's see it. What topping did you get? How is it? 1 out of 10. Give on a scale of 1 to 10.
7.
Define your decade. Decades are defined by culture, Culture is defined by streets, streets are defined by you. This place is called Serial Killer Cafe, and what they do is they just serve you different cereals inside. Check that out. That's awesome. Hot chocolate, milkshakes, coffee, and cereal. Cornflake burger. What is this? Old vintage apple crew neck. That is so fucking cool. Hello. What are these?
Milky bar.
You want to get them?
Yeah.
You want anything from the juice bar?
I don't know, looks pretty good. I'm getting a shot of something.
Oh my god. I can't believe you just drank that entire thing. Oh my gosh, she's got the charcoal on her lips too.
That's awful.
Would you recommend?
No.
Perfect, thank you very much. Holy crap. I fucking love orange juice, so this is kind of like amazing. So we had a good round of bowling, but we are now on the way to Lucky Cat. Is it Asian food, Maddie? Asian fusion. This is a Gordon Ramsay restaurant. Hopping into the Uber. So the palace is up there.
Even Kate is very nice. She comes from a business family.
Okay guys, this marks the end of this amazing trip. I feel so lucky to have experienced both Amsterdam and London. Once in a lifetime opportunity. But now it's time, all things considered, to head back to New York, packing up, checking out of the hotel, and gonna head to the airport and go home.